Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove the SIM card from your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, or iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro for this particular video, but everything I show you here will pretty much work on any modern day iPhone that has a SIM card slot. Additionally, if you're looking to learn more about your iPhone when you finish this one, there's a link in the description. I've put together full tutorial videos on tons of cool features with your iPhone that'll help you get the most out of it. So the first thing you need to do is ensure you have your SIM card ready. The SIM card looks like this. This is a Nano-SIM. That's what works in the modern iPhones. You're going to need the SIM card ejection tool or a paperclip. Now, if you can't find this, inside the box where you purchased your iPhone is a manual packet like so, and the SIM card ejection tool is usually inside this little packet. So if you can't find it in your box, a paperclip or an earring is your next best bet. Just make sure that it doesn't have a sharp edge. You want it to be somewhat dull on the end, or you could damage the mechanism inside. Next, you want to locate the SIM card tray on the iPhone 12 Pro. It's located on the left side below the volume rockers. And what we're going to do is just open it up. So we're going to take the SIM ejection tool. There's a little slot right there on the tray. We're just going to align that with the SIM card tool. Now, this is the part where everybody has trouble. You may have to press with quite a bit of force, especially if it's new. Now, this one came out fairly easy, but I've had iPhones where it's really hard to remove them. Now, the tray looks like this. The SIM card has a little slot on one side right there. You want to align that with the tray. So for this example, we're going in like so. And there it is. And it should fit flush. You can see it's pretty flush right there. And we're just going to put that back into the iPhone. So you're just aligning it up right here. You're going to hold it in place like so, and you're going to press it inwards. Once it's in, should be back like that. And now you should be able to start receiving your messages, phone calls, things like that through your phone. It may take a few seconds, and if it still doesn't work, just restart the phone and you should be good to go. So that's how you insert and remove the SIM card from your iPhone 12 Pro Max, Pro, regular 12, 12 mini, any iPhone that pretty much has a SIM card tray. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one right here, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And as I said, there's a link in the description that'll take you to the full playlist of iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max tutorial videos. So if you're looking to learn more, definitely check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.